Unraveling, to cross one's mind, a simple guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, to cross one's mind. Have you ever had a sudden thought or idea pop up in your head out of nowhere? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it in conversation, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Stay tuned to become more fluent in using this intriguing expression. The phrase, to cross one's mind, refers to a thought or idea that suddenly comes into your head without any particular effort or intention. It's like a bird flying across the sky of your mind. It appears, it captures your attention, and then it might fly away. This expression is used to describe spontaneous thoughts or memories that appear unexpectedly. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are some key points on when and how to use to cross one's mind. To express spontaneity, when you want to emphasize that a thought appeared suddenly and without effort. To indicate surprise, sometimes the thought is so unexpected that its arrival is a surprise to you. To share memories or ideas, this can be a gentle way to introduce a thought or memory that you hadn't considered sharing until it just crossed your mind. Here's a simple structure on how to use it in a sentence. It never crossed my mind that, the idea just crossed my mind. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. When reminiscing, it just crossed my mind how much fun we had at the beach last summer. 2. When surprised, it never crossed my mind that John would quit his job and travel the world. 3. When brainstorming, an interesting idea crossed my mind during the meeting about improving our marketing strategy. These examples show how versatile and useful this phrase can be in conveying spontaneous thoughts or memories. Now that you understand what to cross one's mind means and how to use it, try coming up with your own sentences. Maybe something has already crossed your mind while watching this video. And that's a wrap on to cross one's mind. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.